What's going on, you guys? Random Jaguar here, and you guys have to see this real quick. This program is called Audacity, and check this out. For those of you who listen to rap music, and those of you who think that Tupac is alive or dead, well, I put this part backwards in the song This Life I Lead. Check it out. The thing I know is that he says, yes, I'm alive. But I can't really understand the final part. Well, alright, let's continue. Today's video will be another headphone review. And these are the V-moda's Crossfade LP over-ear noise isolating metal. I've been having these, you guys, for 2 years now. The thing is, I never did a review on these, and these are gonna be like the best ones to do. I put everything inside the box to see how does it look like when you get them, when you first get them. These are the old versions, but the newer versions, they released some wireless ones, and they released like brand new release. But the thing is, the wireless ones are like $300, and they're really expensive right now. And the new ones are they're like $250, I think. And this old model's like 150 or 190 or 110 or 80. I don't know. It depends. And this color is Rouge, as you see right here. Rouge. Well, alright, let's continue. Let's go to the sides. You guys can pause the video if you want to see this. I'll put it back here. Let's go to the back. Let's go to the side again. Sorry for bad lighting. And these do work for, like, it was for computers, tablets, and I believe that's for like producing or DJing. So let's open them. By the way, since I had this for 2 years, it had a nice fabric thing here, but the thing is, I had to cut it. And, oh yeah, and look, it's got this like nice gator fabric, maybe, I don't know. I don't know what these things are called. Sorry about that. Look at that. It's got a nice button and all that. And, ooh, we got here V-moda. I don't know if you guys can see that, but here we go. V-moda and the logo. And this is what you first get. You get this nice thing, and then you get this nice case. Then after that, you get like these manuals, warranty information, booklets about products, and you even get a sticker of V-moda. So that's pretty cool. And anyway, let's put this aside. Here's the case. It's really nice, and plus it's on the go, so you can travel whatever you want. And to be honest, you guys, these headphones are more for producing and DJing more often. So if you guys are producers, DJs like me, these headphones are gonna be good for you. If you guys are singers, I think these would be good for you too. So let's open them up. Like I said, this is the color Rouge. So it's like a dark red color. Alright, these things you can get inside. You got the microphone cable here, and plus you can take this thing off. It's pretty cool. This is the microphone cable. Let me just show you guys. So let's put it aside. As you can see, the cable is not like plastic or rubber. I don't know what kind are they, but this is like a fabric string cable, and it's amazing. It feels really good in the hand. And this is where you connect your phone, tablet, computer, DJ set, whatever. Got the microphone here. Alright, let's put this aside. You got the headphones here, and plus, like I said, you can remove this thing as well. And this is the Pro cable. It's got this nice, cool gold adapter. Really nice. And this is the long fabric Pro cable. It's really long for you producers, DJs, singers. And plus you can put this on. See? It's pretty cool. Well, alright, let's put it to the side. And now, the headphones. Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys go to their website, you get to customize these. That's right, you get to customize these. Like, you put your name, you can put your nickname, you can put a picture, and plus you can customize the way you want. Like, there's 3 colors. There's the white one, there's a shadow one, and there's a black one. The shadow one's really cool looking, so I recommend you guys getting that one. But it depends like how you customize them. Oh yeah, and plus these are metal. And this means they have like a white, gold, and a gold one, but I think it costs like $1,000, so I don't think it's worth it. But these are like $25, I think, for both. Well, I really can't remember, but if you guys want to find out, the link will be down below. If you guys want to purchase these, or on their website, like, to customize them. So the link will be down below. So yeah. Well, anyway, check it out. Get to make these bigger. These are over ear, and these fit my ear really nice. Cause since I'm a DJ producer, these headphones are right for me. And plus, the best thing is that, check it out, they bend. They're bendable. That's the other cool thing. Because to be honest, we DJs, we break headphones. Yeah. So if you guys, like, some DJs, they just take them off and they just throw it away like that. And they usually break. But these are like indestructible. Well, I don't know how strong, but they're right for you. And plus, they feel really nice, and the sound is amazing. The bass is okay, but it's good for like us producers and DJs. For singers, I think these would be okay as well. Well, I think that's it. That's all it has. The cables, the adapter, and the headphones in this nice case. So yeah. Well, alright. Oh yeah, by the way, on my next video, I'm gonna get all of my headphones, and I'm gonna put the ones, which ones will be right for you, like producing, working out, all that stuff. So stay tuned for more. And now for the sound test. I got connected to my phone already, so let's play some music. It'll be on 50%. Oh yeah, plus they're really comfortable. They're not heavy. They're super light. And I don't know if you guys could hear these. So let's see. Let's turn it up. This is 60%. We got some YuLIAA. 80%. Yeah, they're getting loud. Let's go to 90. Now let's go to 100. Yeah, to me the sound is perfect for us producers and DJs. So if you guys are singers, these headphones are the right ones for you guys. Well, I guess that'll be it for today. So like I said, if you guys want to purchase these headphones, the link will be down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh yeah, and one other thing, guys. If you guys are interested in vlogs, challenges, and all those kind of videos, please subscribe to YuLIAA's channel. The link will be down below. And also, if you guys are interested in gaming videos, follow my friend V-moda, who's also my friend. The link will be down below. And plus, YuLIAA is also my friend. So yeah, the link will be down below. And
See you guys next time. Peace.